Every so often I'm pleased to bring to market a really nice house on the Bywaters development. Now the Bywaters is an amazing development because its location is right by the big Morrisons in Watford at the end of the Rickmansworth Road, and also you've got a nice little walk through which takes you straight through to Croxley Green Tube Station. So people tend to like this area because it's convenient, ideal for shopping, and also ideal for commuting. Now, this house behind me, the end of Terrace here, has been extended. It's a 3-bedroom end of Terrace, but the current owners have done so much work to it, and the standard is incredible. And I just want to let you know, if you're watching this video now and you're looking for a house that's finished to close to perfection, then you want to come and have a look at this one. So the first thing you notice when you're in the garden is how peaceful and quiet everything is. Can't hear a peep from anything. Just a very nice development. And the house itself, as you can see behind me, has been extended out to create a really good living space. This is possibly the finest example of one of these houses extended that I have seen, and I've seen many of these houses on this development. So if you like what you see and want to make an appointment to come and have a look at this lovely house, please give me a call on the number below. Thank you.